Monica Ayemi, Office Bearer Suminaga Student Organization. Daniel Humdev, Office Bearer KSO Guwahati. Mamta Chongpu, Office Bearer KSO Guwahati. We are very honored to have you all in our midst, and we thank you. The KSO would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to you all for gracing us with your kind presence. Thank you.
Education Department for Meritorious Award of 2018. KSO Shillong Branch Education Department of Patlading Kingaway.
On behalf of the Kuki Student Organization, I, the Secretary of the Education Department, would like to extend my heartiest congratulations to all the 57 Kuki students who have excelled in their respective examinations, and to honor and to acknowledge their hard work. We would like to present them these mementos as a token of love and appreciation. We are also very grateful to the NAPAS for their sponsorship, and we hope that they may continue to help us in our needs, and may the good Lord bless them for their good deed and contribution. And I request all the awardees to kindly come up on stage as I call out your respective names. And I request our respected chief guest, Pu LL Domal IPS, to kindly come up on stage to do the honor of giving away these awards. Okay, now I would like to start with Dr. K.H. Tianmin Lane Vaipei, PhD in Geology, Nehu. Halpa Hoy Naisel, second position, MSc Biochemistry, Nehu. Clay Kong Sai, third position, MA Adult and Continuing Education, Nehu. Harne Hing Baite, 8th position, MA Linguistic, Nehu. Sego Maung Chong Loi, 10th position, MA Anthropology, Nehu. Okay, Laurie Lamne Kim Hokip, 10th position, MA Education, Nehu. Okay, Lamne Kim Hokip, first position, BA Sociology, Nehu. Kim Nun Choi Vaipei, third position, BSc Geology, Nehu. Baby Hokip, 7th position, BSc Nursing, Nehu. MM Hokip, 9th position, BSc Biochemistry, Nehu. Thingpi Chong, first class, MA Sociology, Nehu. Ngane Kim, first class, MSc Physics, Nehu. David Tongho Hokip, first class, MA Education, Nehu. Nga Paite, first class, BSc Nursing, Nehu. SL Nimei Singh, first class, BA Sociology, Nehu. Thamle Mang Hokip, first class, BA Sociology, Nehu. Zanmin Mang Hokip, first class, BA Sociology, Nehu. Elgin Hunam Hokip, first class, BA Sociology, Nehu. Pauline Hokip, first class, BSc Chemistry, Nehu. Vaining Kim, first div, class 12 Arts and Both. And I request Rachel to please bring the memento award. Tinay Hoi Singh Sid, first div, class 12 Arts and Both. Chung Min Lin Ho Kip, First Div, Class 12 Science, Embos. Chong Nun Hoi Ho Vum, First Div, Class 12 Science, Embos. Chung Nun Hoi Ho Vum, First Div, Class 12 Science, Embos. Sim Nei Hui, Khong Sai, First Div, Class 12 Arts, Embos. Robert Lamla Swang Sing Soon, First Div, Class 12 Arts, CBSE. Hoi Chong Steffi, First Div, Class 12 Arts, CBSE. Lam Ning Chong Rebecca, First Div, Class 12 Arts, CBSE. Timne Kim Mate, First Div, Class 12 Science, CBSE. V Mansi Baite, First Div, Class 12 Arts, CBSE. Ginlun Mang Ham Singh, First Div, Class 12 Arts, CBSE. Vaktin Chan Mate, First Div, Class 12 Arts, CBSE. Nathan Ning Ham Singh, First Div, Class 12 Arts, CBSE. Lamtin Cook Boy, First Div, Class 12 Science, CBSE. Tung Min Lal Hokip, First Div, Class 12 Arts, CBSE. S. Kennedy Tongpu, First Div, Class 12 Arts, CBSE. Saimin Lane Hokip, First Div, Class 12 Science, CBSE. Okay, now respected chief guest, I request you may kindly take a seat. And now I request our functional president, Pa Angam, to kindly come up on stage and do the honor of giving away these awards. Now I'll start with the Class 10 Embos. Melody Kwan Tai Kim Sing Son, First Div, Class 10 Embos. Lydia Vaininga Mate, First Div, Class 10 Embos. L. Hing Hoi Kuki, First Div, Class 10 Embos. Hing Nai Ting Kip Gan, First Div, Class 10 Embos. Lam Nei Bak Sing Sik, First Div, Class 10 Embos. Nengun Nei Thau Vum, First Div, Class 10 Embos. L. Gracie Misau, First Div, Class 10 Embos. L. Gracie Misau. Stephen L. Sing Sik, First Div, Class 10 Embos. L. Gracie Misau, First Div, Class 10 Embos. Lun Min Thang Khong Sai, First Div, Class 10 Embos. Stephen L. Singsit, First Div, Class 10, Ambos. Lunmin Thang Khongsai, First Div, Class 10, Ambos. Benjamin Thongmin Ho Tsongloi, First Div, Class 10, ICSE. Joel Zhang Ho Thong Kip Gen, First Div, Class 12, Science, CBSE. Lam Nei Thing Rebecca Thong Dim, First Div, Class 10, CBSE. Kim Melody, First Div, Class 10, CBSE. Mangmin Lim Tao Thong, First Div, Class 10, CBSE. Olivia Kim Nun Niam Songloi, First Div, Class 10, CBSE. Chin Malve, First Div, Class 12, CBSE. Manglal Mon Kao Gamte, First Div, Class 10, CBSE. Manglal Moka Gamte, First Div, Class 10, CBSE. Kamgo Thian Gamte, First Div, Class 12, CBSE. Kamgo Thian Gamte, First Div, Class 12, CBSE. Ningde Kim Khongsai, First Div, Class 12, CBSE. Betsy Gamte, First Div, Class 12, CBSE. A round of applause to all the Kuki students who have excelled in their respective examination. I request our respected chief guest to kindly come up on stage once again for a photo session.
Now,
To him, Olivia again, who Councilor President, who Agam Kuki, President Kuki Pimagalaya Kaute.
who ang Ampuki Biodata Sukana Name Lamputang Kuki, father's name led Captain Hongusay Kuki, permanent address Dula led Impal Manipur, date of birth 1st December 1951, place of birth Sauli, Himachal Pradesh, school St. Anthony's High School, Silong 1958-1967, HSLC 1967, graduation 1972. Awarded Best Footballer 1968, St. Edmunds College, Silong. Member of St. Anthony's College Silong football team winning the Guwahati University Inter-College Football Tournament Championship Trophy 1970. Joined the State Bank of India in 1975. Promoted to Scale Officer in 1981. Retired as Senior Management Grade Scale 4 in 2011 as Chief Manager. Advisor Kuki Students Organization Silong Branch 1999 to 2000, 2000 to 2001, 2001 to 2002, and 2002 to 2003. Attended Jamangkut celebration at Guwahati as Kulpa 2013. Member Board of Decans Kuki Worship Service Silong 2008-2009. President Kuki P. Meghalaya 2012-2014 and 2014 to 2016.
Organization Shillong Branch Memento. This memento is presented to Pu N. Kuki, Chief Manager, Retired State Bank of India, as a token of deepest appreciation for having raised the 54th Freshers Social Function of the Kuki Students Organization as the esteemed function president. On this, the 29th day of August 2015, President Zhang Kumang Hokip and General Secretary Linda Sison.
Angasa pinin phat phai pewa papatin kathang kwai nahi zaum ta jingun ule kathang dongga nahi chule hobung langa KWS Shillong KWS Happy Valley lam kai ho hiwin chule pakai hacha Reverend the pastor ho hiwin nute pati hiwin chule khanglai ho tuni hi injawab item akibol chai pa meritorious award hokdona akiman pa hi iga wai le pathinin uki chate keso Shillong branch itobanga ei ngai lu hitam tuni hin Jingun puto masana college na kai lain masam tain ito bang keso freshers meet ho anaki mangin akin ha sombangin ha manana ki bang zihin ahin ito bang ahi meritorious award muhi anaki tamzihin pathilung sidin iget hi ha sat nawa pathini gyado win pathin wang bo na chang kumin inu in da ha win muncho ma la asimin yumu win ade in Shillong hi nasata in pathinung sit zalin ikham do win amizat lanazam ikham do win families lanazong ikhamto win students lanazong ikhamto win adil in meritorious award mutheya chate naute ho itam che win titi edition halileya tin pathin min kathang ko ani senior students ho hi win I don't know senior Shillongites ho jong yum mai thei ho hi win ama hondram hitabang nikoting let pathinin ei mo pui naw hi anh gelo che diwin kata asanin lam kai ho kapa cha in students ho kapa cha in nute pate ho pa cha di umin tuni hin ade den nute ho hi volunteer in apanguin pa cha dom he jin min hiti he jun I wish the function all the best. Kakipai.
We are very pleased to have with us more representatives from students' organizations. I would like to request you all to kindly stand up from your seat as I call your name. Sangba, Shillong Manipur Students' Organization.